Yes, your boy finally has his S22 Ultra. Why is that box so big? Because I got just about every Samsung case that you can put or pre-order or buy for the S22 Ultra in that box. Another great reward when you pre-order with Samsung, you get the accessory credit. So I'm gonna show you guys all of those cases on the S22 Ultra. We're gonna talk about it. And listen, they could call it S22 Ultra all they want to, but this is the Galaxy Note. The Note is back, baby. Woo, gotta set up the big camera to get everything on and rolling. Y'all already know. Listen, man, once a Note user, always a Note user. Never forget that. We got the Note 20 Ultra. We got the Z Fold 3 in the building. The Fold Edition pen. Before we start this video, I just want to say, once a Note user, always a Galaxy Note user, and this is the Galaxy Note. No, this is not an unboxing per se. I just want to showcase how when you pre-order from Samsung, I mean, I was given what, 200 bucks on this pre-order? Technically should have got the $50 more, but I wasn't trying to wait all day. I didn't know if these units were gonna be limited or not. You know, right now it's chip shortages everywhere. Samsung is a company that makes semiconductor chips. So I'm pretty sure they would hoard the majority of chips for themselves. I mean, I'm just saying, if I was them, I would probably do the same thing. I want you guys to see all of the cases and accessories. Woo, let's get into it. Woo, look at all these cases and fast charging. So as you see, I have a lot of the Samsung cases to show you guys that are options from Samsung along with the S22 Ultra, or the Note, shall we say. This is a Galaxy Note. The Galaxy Note is what got me when I was on my hiatus from Apples and iPhones. This is the phone that pulled me into the Android ecosystem next to the Nexus 6P. Gotta give respect to Google and the pure Google experience. We're not gonna disrespect and act like that hasn't been a pull, but I have a leather cover. I have the silicone cover with the little nice 22 thing. We have the clear standing cover. And then we have a silicone. We got the 45 watt power adapter. And then we have the magnificent S22, the Note, okay? Woo! Oh, it looks like a Note, baby. Hold on. Let me get my Note 20 Ultra, which is right here in the flesh. Oh man, yep. The Note is back, baby. I can confirm without the massive, crazy, yeah, that. You guys know I'm gonna do a comparison video between these two. I gotta use this one like in real world usage before I can speak to it. This is the Phantom Black Edition right here that I have, but I did order the red version. The red version was gonna take longer to get to me, so I went ahead and I grabbed the Phantom Black so I could get the content out to you guys and get the testing. But the red Samsung.com exclusive on release date, as we have always asked Samsung to do, is finally here. Yes, you were able to get red and a couple other colors. I don't remember the other colors. I don't care because they had red and I got it. Let's open up these cases. I want to show you guys these. We have the clear case right here. All right, clear case with a stand on it. Oh, this is interesting. It's a very strong, like, seem like some type of aluminum or metal or something like that type of clip. Very sturdy though, I will say that. This is very light. This is where your weight is on the case. So let's put this on here. Let's see, it's kind of stiff, clear case. I won't even lie, but very protective, I can't say that. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan of this kind of, it feels like a buckle, like a money clip down here. Not a fan of that right there for this case, but hey, if you watch a lot of YouTube, you know what I mean? You're at work, you got the phone off in the office, like right here to the cut while you typing and doing your thing. Hey, this is an A1 case for that. Let's get that out of here. All right, let's try the regular silicone cover. Silicone cases are cool because they're soft. They give you that extra grip. That grip is important, especially with these expensive phones. Oh, I like this one. Oh yeah, I like that. Now that, I like it. I like it a lot. And it kind of got like that matte grayish type of tone to it. I like this one. The silicone Samsung case is a go for me. It's light, it gives you a lot of grip, very minimal, and I like the look of it. It got that matte gray look. That's fire. Might be what I might end up wrapping in the car. This one gets the approval from me. All right, let's do leather. You know, I like leather cases, but I don't even really use cases when I'm using a case. I've been using leather Samsung cases from the Note phones to the S, all the previous Samsung devices, S21 Ultra, all of those. Here's the leather case, black leather case on the Phantom black Galaxy Note. I like this one as well. This one's very nice, very classy. It looks really good. I would definitely rock this one. So if you're not into silicone cases and you want something a little more premium, a little more luxe, this is where you go. All right, now, last but not least, this silicone cover with the strap kind of gives me some like off-white vibe. Coco, you over here stealing Virgil? Don't be like them. You know what I mean? Culture is always being hijacked. This is the one I've been excited to check out and see. This one got a lot of swag to it, at least from the picture. Let's see if the swag translates to real life. Okay, up close look at this one. Woo, look at that. You know what I mean? Give you a little grip. Make sure you're not dropping the phone. I don't know if I would actually have my hand strapped here trying to use the device. Maybe if you phone calling, I don't know. I'm not the strap is like, Oh, okay. This is how I would probably use it. If I had just the finger in there like that and I got my other fingers free, that's cool. That's like, it gives me that security. Yeah, okay. Cause I can use it, I can get my note on, you know what I mean? Hold on, speaking of the note, let's pull out the S Pen for the first time. Woo! Ha! The note is back, baby. I'm hyped. Love it. I love the S Pen. I love it so much. I bought the S Pen for my Z Fold 3. I bought an S Pen. I bought an S Pen for the S21 Ultra. I got S Pens on S Pens because that's one of my favorite features in the Samsung phone lineup. This silicone case is dope. It's cool. I like the whole, if you just put one finger right there and kind of use it, get that little extra security, not trying to drop your device. I like the color scheme of this one. This one looks good. This one's cool, actually. Personally, I probably would go with the regular silicone matte black one or the leather black one. Those two are my favorite. And then this one ranked number 3 for me. And then last but not least is that clear. Yeah, I didn't like that one. I'm gonna be honest. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my SIM card in here. We're gonna spark up the S22 Ultra. I'm gonna start my day. I'm gonna record my days of using it so that way I could come back to you guys and just kind of like show you the documentation of that. I just wanted to open up all of the Samsung cases. Oh yeah, let's point this out right here. This is the 45 watt power adapter. We have 45 watt charging via cable with the S22 Ultra, but you gotta get a 45 watt charger on your own. Obviously, there's no power brick, but the dope thing is with Samsung, when you pre-order, you get that accessory credit, so you're able to just get this for free. Another thing that Samsung did in the pre-order process this go around was they upgraded you from the 128 to the 256 for free. I mean, I think that was just a marketing thing. I doubt that they even had any 128s ready to go, but they gave you the 128 gigabyte pricing. You get what I'm saying. You got a 256 gigabyte phone for the price of a 128 gigabyte, which was cool. Shout out to Samsung on that. All right, so 45 watt power adapter right here in the flesh. This is how you get the super fast charging. For those of you guys who want 45 watt charging, get this brick. You guys know how I feel about the Galaxy Note. I love it. I'm hoping that Samsung has kept the Note at where it is. I have not been watching any tech YouTube about the S22 Ultra, so literally what I tell you guys is gonna be my honest, open opinion, no influences, no outside, manipulation or anything like that. It's just gonna be straight from me. I pay for this out of pocket. I don't mind if Samsung were to send me the early review units. I would still give you my honest opinion and all that stuff. I don't know how Samsung is about that, but I don't bash phones and stuff. I just keep it real. It is what it is. So Samsung, a player needs those early units. Yo, hit the comment section down below and let Samsung know that I need to get Samsung phones early.